guys on the pole. Sean Warman in 51. 119, Jackie Williams from Rockford. 99 car is Jim Ronspies, and I hope I got that right. He's from Wisconsin. Car number 12, Seth Hansen. The Seth Hansen fan club is here. 81, David Cavan. 14, Robert Stoltz. 28, Bradley Lounsbury. That might actually be the 281 car. And for that, I need a name. 93 car. I don't have either. Perfect. All right, let's go racing. We'll just fill in. Hey, we're racing! Yeah! Sixer Mania! 3 heats, 8 laps, 6 cylinders. John Warman to the lead, 1 car not going real fast. Jackie Williams, 119. Second spot goes the 12 of Seth Hansen. Third spot goes the 81 of David Cavan. 14 flying through there, Robert Stoltz up to 4th. Ranspeed's the 5th of the 99. Big lead for the Beer Man. Sixers do not run transponders, so you probably won't see laps in the heats on the board, but there's 2 complete and there's 6 to go. 3-car battle for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th as the Sixers squeal the tires on the high banks. Hansen at 2nd, now nosing into 3rd is Stoltz in the 14. Jackie Williams having trouble in turns 1 and 2. For 2nd, there goes the 14, Stoltz, halfway home. For 3rd, side by side, Hansen trying to hold off Cavan. 3 to go. Oh, the leader up by the wall, Warman. Stays off the wall, we're all good. Couple to go. Hansen trying to hold on to 3rd and 12, up near the wall. 8 laps is like the Daytona 500 for Sixers. This is a long time. I think I'm a lap off. 14 of Robert Stoltz trying to get the Sean Warman before he runs out of time. White flag next time by. 3 cars for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. 1 to go for Sean Warman, this time by. Got a solid lead. Look at 3rd, 4th, and 5th scooting out of 4. For 4th side by side, Ranspees in the 99 trying to sneak by the 81 at Cavan. Checkered flag coming for the Beer Man. Sean Warman will win heat 1. Oh, looking for 4th out of turn 4. Ranspees will take it. In the 99, Cavan comes home 5th of the 81. 3rd spot goes to the car number 12, Seth Hansen. Runner-up goes to the 14 of Robert Stoltz, and your race winner, the first of 3 Sixer Mania heat races here on Short Track Saturday night is the car number 51, headed down to the victory area from Roscoe, Illinois. How about it for the Beer Man, Sean Warman?